Good morning. This is the pronunciation of the most common 100 expressions in the context of politics in English. Let's get started. Accusation, acolyte, acolyte, allegation, allegation, alliance, alliance, anonymity, anonymity, or in American English, anonymity, 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 aspiration, aspiration, assail, assail, authoritarian, 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 bamboozle, bamboozle, beleaguer, beleaguer, benefit, benefit, blame, blame, bribe, bribe, cadre, cadre, career, career, chicanery, chicanery, claim, claim, coercion, coercion, collaboration, collaboration, conceal, conceal, confidence, confidence, control, control, corruption, corruption, coterie, 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 covert, covert, debacle, 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 deception, defamation, defamation, deficit, deficit, deflect, deflect, demagogue, demagogue, denigrate, deny, deny, dictatorship, dictatorship, embezzlement, embezzlement, empire, empire, endorsement, endorsement, engagement, engagement, expose, expose, extortion, extortion, feud, feud, fiasco, fiasco, fray, fray, furor, furor, gain, gain, greedy, greedy, hypocrisy, 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 ignorant, ignorant, illegal, illegal, illicit, illicit, impunity, 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 influence, influence, infringement, infringement, integrity, 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 intimidation, 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 irresponsible, irresponsible, laconic, 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 lobby, malfeasance, 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 manipulate, 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 massive, massive, mendacity, 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 mercurial, 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 obscure, obscure, onerous, 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 or onerous, 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 opportunist, opportunist, parry, parry, partial, partial, patriarchy, patriarchy, patronage, 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 persecution, 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 plagiarism, 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 plutocracy, 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 prestidigitation, 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 privilege, 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 proxy, proxy, reckless, reckless, recrimination, recrimination, refute, refute, regime, 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 not j, not sh, regime, reputation, reputation, resignation, 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 retaliation, 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 revelation, revelation, saga, 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 scandal, scandal, not scandal, 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 scandalous, 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 scandal, scandalous, scapegoat, 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 sloth, 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 solicit, 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 subterfuge, 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 tainted, 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 tarnish, tarnish, temptation, temptation, tycoon, 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 unethical, 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 not unethical, 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 unjust, unjust, unsavory, unsavory, unsavory,